guys, welcome back to the Natural Learning Python course. Today, let's learn about Booleans and comparison operators. So, what's a Boolean? A Boolean is actually the last data type, not the set, and it's a true or false statement about something. For example, we know that 3 is greater than 2, and that statement is true, therefore, and true is a Boolean. And the type keyword is bool, just like the type of strings are stir. When will we use them? Often with comparison operators like greater than or less than. Speaking of which, let's learn about comparison operators too. So, comparison operators, also relatively simple. We have the usual greater than and less than. Then we have greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. And now here comes the important one. Equal to. We need two equal signs. The one equal sign means you're assigning something to a value. The two equal sign means you're checking, is it equal to something else? Then the last one is it not equal to something else with an exclamation and equals sign. Now, let's see this all in live code. Okay, so let's just start by making a Boolean called myBool, and we'll set it equal to true. Now you need this syntax, otherwise this highlighting won't come, and that means it's not a Boolean. For example, if we said myBool is equal to just true normally, it would give a name error because it thinks true is some sort of variable. So now we can also do myBool is equal to false, and that's also a Boolean. If we look at type of myBool, we get bool. Alright, that's basically it for Booleans. Now let's get to comparison operators. So, greater than is 3 greater than 2, is 2 greater than 3. You can also assign this to a variable, like myBool3 is equal to this. And then we can look at the type of myBool3, and we get bool. So, this is a Boolean. Next up, less than is 2 less than 3, is 3 less than 2. Obviously, these give out the desired results that we would think of. Now, let's go on to greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. So, is 5 greater than or equal to 4? Is 5 greater than or equal to 5? Is 6 less than or equal to 10? Is 6 less than or equal to 6? We can also defy these. For example, is 5 greater than or equal to 7? Is 6 greater than or equal to 4? Or less than or equal to 4? And obviously, we get false because they're not. So, now let's get on to the equals. Now, this one is, I'm going to actually show you. Let's say n equals 10. We're obviously assigning n to 10. Meanwhile, if we say, is n equal to 10, we see it says true, but it's a Boolean because we're asking, is it equal to 10? Now, let's finish with not equals. Is n not equal to 10? False. Is n not equal to 11? True. Simple checks. Alright, that's all there is to it. I hope you learned something, and as always, this was Nitro Learn. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and follow our Instagram. We'll leave all the links in the description. Bye!